Kiki. So, this is after I washed most of my clothes. Today is gonna suck. Today is awful. I have to go to Connecticut in less than a day. I think we leave for the airport like 6 o'clock in the morning. And today I have to film a tutorial. I have to film my Queen of Hearts tutorial, which I filmed last week, but I didn't like the way it turned out, so I want to redo it. And then I have to edit and upload that so that I can have it go live tomorrow while I'm on the plane. And then I have to edit my Monday video, and then I have to film something for Friday, and then I have to take photos of a bunch of stuff for the blog so that I'm not vlogless like I was when I was in Austin because I didn't prepare. And then I have to repack this with clean clothes, and I have to do my cousin's makeup while I'm in Connecticut, so I have to bring all of that stuff again. And all of this before 6 a.m. tomorrow, so I don't know if I'm going to be sleeping because the amount of stuff I have to get done is insane. His car just kind of died yesterday. Well, not died. We were getting something to eat, and it just started like shaking. And then it almost felt like it was a manual car, and he was shifting gears. He's gonna be here all by himself for 6 days. You should get a camera and vlog your time on Final Fantasy. Hey guys, it's Paul here. I'm playing Final Fantasy for the 7th hour today. But right now we're going to get food at this really amazing place that's in Gilbert called Salad and Go, and it's salad fast food, and it's amazing, and I'm excited because I gained like 8,000 pounds in Austin, and I refuse to gain any weight in Connecticut, so I'm going to be green for the next forever. This is lunch. If you live in Gilbert or like
East Valley.
That's the word I'm looking for. East Valley. Thank you. This is why you're here. This place is amazing. It's like salad fast food, and you get like a monster size thing. Like this is mine, I think. And it's like a really huge thing. They had an autumn squash salad, so this one has squash and stuff. Paul got Santa Fe. I'm not sure what's in that one. I haven't had that one yet. But each one's like $6, and it's so good, and I'm in need of nutrients. It's because I ate too much fattiness this weekend. I just finished editing the Queen of Hearts video. I am so tired. It's 8:30. What did I do today? I filmed this video, I edited it, now I'm saving it, and I'm gonna upload it, and it'll go up tomorrow, which is Wednesday. I'm way back. I don't even know when this video is gonna go up because I'm gonna do Vlogtober because it's October, but I'm starting it with the videos I filmed last week because I haven't edited them yet. So this probably isn't even gonna go up till a week after that video is up and whatever. So I did that today. We just went to Whole Foods and got food, watched The Voice. I didn't know Whole Foods had macarons. I wish I didn't know Whole Foods had macarons. They had like 30 types. They had bacon and black licorice. I didn't try them and I don't want to. So what do I have to do still tonight? I need to edit 2 Austin vlogs and upload those so that they go up today and tomorrow. I need to pack, and I need to do photos because I didn't do any blog posts while I was in Austin just because I didn't get them together, and so I want to have stuff to do because tomorrow I'm going to Connecticut with my family for my cousin's wedding, and I'm so tired. I wish it was like next week, or I wish that I had an extra day or so because I've just been like so stressed because we just came back last night from Austin, and then I've had today, and I had to film my Queen of Hearts video because it didn't work. The one I filmed it last week, and I didn't like how it turned out, so I refilmed it, and I gotta edit 2 videos, so I have a Friday and a Monday video. I might have to film another video for that, but I can edit those on the plane, and I still have to pack, and I have to get all my stuff together. I'm doing my cousin's makeup for it, so I have to bring all this extra crap so that I could do her makeup, and I just want to sleep in my bed. And there's Bob. Hi, Bob. Hi. But anyways, so I don't know. I think I'm probably just not going to sleep tonight. I think I'm probably just going to stay up and get as much as I can done and then just sleep on the plane because our flight leaves at 8 and it's nonstop. So I figure I could just sleep on the plane and then I'll be okay that everything is done and yada yada yada. So that's all for this. Next thing you'll see is me probably super exhausted going to the airport with my family. And I know you all love seeing my family, so you're gonna get 6 straight days of them. So I'll see you tomorrow.